to Christmas morning breakfast with Buckeye Girls Reason and Things. Melissa and my husband Thad's going to be in this video because I'm cooking him breakfast. This is a collaboration with Grandma Sandy. You gotta go check out her channel and the playlist. And also she has two wonderful co-hosts. Go check them out and subscribe to their channel. The names and links will be, the names and photos will be next. Here is our simple table setting for our Christmas morning breakfast. It includes a red Charger plate that I got after Christmas last year. I think maybe at Michael's. The plate, the cup, and the glass are all from Big Lots. And the centerpiece is a round snowman hat that I bought last year, that I made last year on a video, I think. And then just a lighted candle and another little snowman toothpick holder and a red poinsettia placemat from Big Lots. And then I added the red and white snowflake warming mat for our breakfast. We're gonna make an easy blueberry biscuit cake for breakfast this morning. We're gonna start out with a cup and a half of Bisquick, which the reason I wanted to try this is my husband got Bisquick at Costco's on our shopping haul, and I wanted to try different recipes with it. You start out with 2.5 cups of Bisquick. And then to that you add 1/2 cup of sugar, two eggs, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, which it looks like that's about all I have in here, so And then a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then 3 tablespoons of milk. And I'll mix it real good. And this will go into a greased baking dish. It will, oh, I forgot the main ingredient, a half cup of blueberries. And then you bake with a 9 by 13 baking pan, and a buttered baking pan at 350. I don't see how long. 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. So you bake this with a grease 9 by 13. For 30 to 35 minutes at 350. Here is our breakfast for Christmas breakfast morning. Yes, that is a breakfast burrito. We make them all the time. They're great freezer meals. And I also have a video of those on my YouTube channel. And I've made them several times on Facebook. They contain eggs, cheese, bacon,
there's some ham.
You can add green
hash
peppers, hash browns,
or whatever. Yeah.
Whatever you really like. This is my husband, Dad. He's gonna have his breakfast.
They would
with
say
some hot chocolate.
Eggs. Well, you can make vegetable ones too if you don't want.
Yeah, you can make vegetables, so they could be.
Or you can make taco stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can top them with salsa and sour cream, guacamole, whatever you like. And here's our casserole. Here in a minute, we'll see how well it is.